just about to get changed and everything. Say hello, Sinead. Hi. And you can also see my mum setting up all the costumes.
Right.
And Zayd's there.
Hi, I'm BA.
Harry's Murdoch.
Okay, Sinead.
And Zayd's weird.
It's a jumpsuit, so you should be able to just climb into it.
Okay, this might be.
Okay. Right, Harry. Who are you, Harry? Who are you going to be? Murdoch. So, jacket for you, Murdoch. Which one's Murdoch? Show me. Him with a cat. Okay. So
Just some bad guy, I don't know.
Who are you gonna be?
I'm partners with him, I guess. Bad guys.
Bad guys forever.
Yeah.
Bad guys. BGX. Bad guys. No, BGF.
would you take your top of your costume
Best
into the room,
girlfriend.
just get that on, and then come back and I'll give you... Do you want this bling as well? Okay. You have a bit of bling.
Bling.
And then we'll do your
Sinead, are you ready? Who are you gonna be?
I have no idea.
Sinead doesn't know who she's going to
Sinead is
be.
going to be Amy, but at one point Amy's going to sneak in to get into the house, and that's why she's dressed as somebody that's going to read the meter. So I'm going to adjust her costume a little bit in a minute because it's a bit big by the look of it. She looks a bit like a penguin, but there we are.
Penguin. So right now, he is writing the script on...
Hello.
Hello.
So we're doing this in a bit of a rush. We are, look, all this stuff I've written here, this is our script for the A-Team Nerf War. It's good, I'm already at the Nerf War part, so that's mostly done now. So we're there.
Bad guy, baby!
Sinead, put your hands in the air.
No, BA, I'm part of your team!
Are you?
Yeah.
Be Harry, you won't be able to put it in.
Charlie.
Who needs a belt? Me. Even you need my team. No. Okay, you need that beard stuck on, don't you? Shall I do that for you?
Hands up, Sinead.
Please.
Okay, give me a second.
Bam.
Right.
Oh,
Thanks, guys.
bam. Bam.
Oh, this is cool. I want tape. This is so scary.
Oh, that's hard.
Not enough
Luckily, I got something too. Boom. Oh, guess what? Boom. Hey.
Somebody save us.
Oh no, he's got the big guns out. Oh. Well, I got the big guns too.
This is gonna be scary.
Oh, I like this one.
I'm just gonna get down.
Whoa. Ah. Ah. No. No.
There's an air. Air raid.
Oh, wow.
Why am I hiding with the bad one?
Boom. Because they actually hurt a lot. Don't shoot me.
Then you don't shoot.
Ceasefire. So now I am changed into my Hannibal costume. And if you like it, leave a like. And right now, I
Yeah, I'm shoot.
sorting out this gun.
I'm going to shoot Janet.
So he's going to shoot Janet.
Flip! That's dangerous!
It's good, they're lethal.
Nathan! Right.
Oh!
Head up, please, so it won't hit you.
I will look for you in a second.
No, Nathan, Nathan,
forgot it.
no,
Oh,
no.
I ain't getting on no plane!
I ain't getting on no plane.
Hey, fool!
Yeah, but I've never watched it.
Right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick some...
So now we are in the garage. We're in the garage waiting to film the next bit. And as you can see, we have the green screen here. We have a few sofas. And then look at Zayd. Do you like Zayd? Comment down below if you like Zayd.
Down below.
Yeah. Okay. Bye-bye.
Big punch!
BA, calm down, buddy.
And stop, freeze. Okay.
Happy birthday if it's your birthday.
helicopter coming. Now there's a cannon going to drop a bomb. When it comes, blow up.
One of my bullets hit the car, and as it was going down, it went into the wheel. Beeping.
I look like a weirdo. So soft.
It's like a £50 gun.
Can you even see my eyes?
No.
Oh yeah. Wait. This.
So basically we have a malfunction. We're coming towards the end of the movie, just before the real Nerf fight happens, and the gun has got a lodged bullet stuck in there somewhere. We've got Murdoch ready for the Nerf battle. We're ready to build the fortress. BA's having a little rest. He's just done his bit of cooking.
Oh, and here's your hair. I've got my pot ready.
Let me demonstrate the missile launcher. Who shall I shoot? Harry or Daniel?
Not me.
Let us know in the comments.
I'm BA.
Well, it's too late because it's going to happen now.
Not me though.
Shoot me!
Jeez.
Did that noise actually come out of you, Zaid?
Yeah.
Jesus, you break the
This is
blind.
wicked.
Break
shoot the
no,
camera,
no,
stay there.
no, you break it.
That's green.
Why are you wearing your goggles, Harry?
Because I like them. They're nice. They let me see like lights easier. Like doesn't hurt my eyes if I look at that one up there.
Getting kind of annoying now.
Ready, Charlie?
Yeah.
Get your guns up. You're going to shoot Issa. Stop. Okay, we got a slight problem. Whoop, we spun you there, didn't we?
Can you pass me that?
Let's get rid of that chair. Did we get it?
Yeah.
Now we can do the same thing again in slow motion.
So these guys seem pretty serious.
Sorry.
So these guys seem pretty serious to you.
Rubbish. Go on.
You set me up and I was fine.
Go on, go. His voice.
Surprise, surprise! Time for a special development.
Can I have my 2 villains, please? 2 villains. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
I've waxed. This hurts so much. Oh no, I look so weird now. I've changed.
This way, then. You're too cool to have a gun.
You go.
I'll do. Thank you very much.
That's what you're going to look like as an old man, Daniel.
Cool. Guys, well done everybody. You made it changed.
I'm a warrior.
Well done.